Hi everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I will show you how to create cherry blossom nails using petal-shaped holograms. It's a simple design just by arranging petal-shaped holograms, but by adding a sense of depth to it, you can make it look salon level and high quality. This is a simple design recommended for beginners, so please take a look until the end. Okay, let's get started. I will apply it to the nail tip this time, but if you want to apply directly to your own nails, start by taking care of your nails, lightly sanding the nail surface, removing oil with ethanol, and then applying a base coat and curing with a light. First, let's apply the base color. In this case, I will spread this nude pink over the entire nail. For this design, I recommend that the base color be a translucent color that can be seen through your own nails to create a mature look. After spreading the color over the entire nail, cure it. Next, prepare petal-shaped holograms. I will use two types of holograms, white petals and pink petals. First, apply a base coat to attach the holograms. Spread the base coat as thinly as possible. After applying a thin coat over the entire nail, place the white petal-shaped holograms. The hologram with the tip that is split into two pieces should be on the outside, and the one without a slit should be on the inside. Make 3 identical cherry blossoms in 3 different locations. Then, place pink petal in each empty space in well-balanced manner. Combine white and pink petals will add depth. When you have finished arranging the petals, cure it. If this is left as is, the holograms will be bumpy, and color gel applied on top of the holograms will be uneven. So the first step is to fill in these bumps. Use a base coat or other clear gel on top. It is recommended that clear gel be used when embedding nail stickers as well, to avoid bumps. Make sure there are no bumps on the holograms before curing. Next, apply magnetic gel over this. This is maple rose. Take about half of the amount you normally apply and spread it thinly. Apply the gel thinly, as too much gel will make it difficult to see the petals. After you have painted the entire area, prepare a magnet. Move the round magnet closer to the nail, starting just above the nail. One spot on the upper right, and then another to the diagonal to create an S-shaped line. The key is to make the glitter partially, not all over. This gives a sense of depth, and then cure it. Apply a non-wipe top coat for the final touch. When the entire surface has been coated, cure. This completes the design. The result is a soft cherry blossom design with a sense of depth. What do you think of cherry blossom nails using petal-shaped holograms? You can use only petal-shaped holograms in magnetic gel, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.